Look at this, y'all. A rare escalator. Never seen this in Texas before. This is a rare EICO escalator in Texas. This is the perfect fit for Columbus Day, honoring the New World. Speaking of the New World, I guess would I safely say this could be a perfect fit of the New World of Columbus Day by riding a very rare EICO escalator. I do apologize for the rushed entry, but I do not want to be seen by anyone, as there are lots of people and employees here. Okay, I think I might go for one more ride on this thing, so let's do it. This is one of the rarest escalator brands that I have ever seen before, especially in Houston. The moment I saw that brand, oh my gosh, was I so overjoyed. This is such a rarity. I'm definitely uploading this on Columbus Day. And now we will transport ourselves back down. Here we go. And there you have it.